saying,
oh, Nyamia don't be a friend.
Nyamia say. Yankwe, na amanen no baby ounce no. Obeso dear funny into you.
The one me no munuka.
Okay.
First one no a year. I mean can I say an Friday bibi a nyina e betimi afa afutu kakra frimu na ye de aboy bra. Me sorry anopa we usually me sorry the first thing I do and they say me fa me phone. So me fa me phone among other things say me ko social media na so. Na and then pay me be social media no. The first thing I saw a very, very passionate story about Abranti friend Marc Cucurella. Na I just lesson we pen and besi for free. Marc Cucurella obviously I grew to become a very, very successful footballer. Was signed the Real Madrid. Obian himself about Brighton and over Albion, about Chelsea. Or can Spain team na kwaje World Cup or can Spain team a G Euros no. Senkeba abrabomu enije. Ene say obia ba ewiase wa fa adwuma bi ato no ho so adwuma na oyɛ no wa accomplish bibia also accomplish a Marc Cucurella should be one of them. Yeah. Should be so satisfied say that is the reason why at a point and Kofokrase na also oje World Cup no call or be retire from the Spanish national team because Odun say waji bibia. Marriage in that interview or ye interview now all of a sudden na esun ehini no na why will ubitse Marc Cucurella in this time ya ye womi any eniji e wona komemu yi e de na be ma ne ra ho o say on na yire wo ma I think man be ebe se 4 se 3 na emu baako ewo yare a friend autism autism crash some kase me chemu twi a sa yare na ye be wo akra foforo no na affecting the nerves eti unhu se sebi akra no on shada nye normal to say akra bia se no sitie no the way or communicating with nipa the way osua de ni nyoma ye no eto sini kakra eya na mpempi no sankra no omo ha adwen nti ohia a lot of care Cucurella say ne mana wa wo mu no ba kotisa na rich this is where it gets more interesting. Marc Cucurella say ni triwi na waja ni bebre gusu bebre sana nso tore bi obobo kakra be no safa no aye ni ye o ya o na ka say ene yuti no kra na ye na ye simple oh we yuti na kwa ye simple na watimi abobo ni ye Cucurella say ne bana o sa yare no wo hu se ne bana epe de wi na triwi ni sitie pa na ne ba ne ta di agro and because akra no ewo sa problem ninti no onim at a point e bi adako ye be da so na akra no on recognize na busuanfo mpo biem but ose ofili wonimu se ni timi ni da so ye se na etie na no matter how ne ba na adwene bebi e kwa kodi no so ohun no ohun ni timi no because o me papa ni na so obobo no park ne so a nasa ne ba no was stadium wa at least ade e ba ne ba no so me papa na gina ha no e ni timi na and say obi ehun say ni timi no we keeping sa for a very, very long time e ne ba ni ntia na rich ne nkomodie ni mu no adeɛ baako kaya etache makoma ene sɛ senka onyaya na japade ni sika wanya nyina wasase we so ebe hwere no nanka ne ba no
ayi okay
normal say akra normal say obi abatete no onyaya enko besa
semo
you see, how do you even put it? Eowiasimu ebi mu chesiska. Wherever the money is, you go for it. Rich, ebi mu so nyeska. Ba ko ni Cucurella. But ene o mayehu se kasesika no woni nyina no ebetimi atade ba ko bia akwadi nyina beto ne ba ne health nyankopon pe enati ni wiase ase ono pe ene wo answers to question bia wo wiase Barrage, the biggest lesson and say obi meka na asam nchirewa. Don't assume say bibia okay with obi because of we far away no ohwe na braba just say oh we there as oh you fully satisfied with his life. And yes sanity. There is no obi any we are only problem. But they also the show who crying and say obia one or two problems be no matter what o face enunti ema wo wa be mu buda. Never give up in life, never. Because Rich Cucurella could have given excuses say ne ba no krenti no born o jai bon tem na wa nyamre ahye no. And when we are all interviewing, you could clearly see, say, Rich, anytime Cucurella pauses in life to think, never never need to move first. Na se nipa bisano. E create me ko jina park so. E concentrate bobo. E ti me ji walk up. E ji nyoma wet in the club. Rich, how much more you?
The Baron Crimes on the penny.
Yes.
Oh,
and ye easy.
Some
enye easy nti wa wuti ya no pay Cucurella se sene ohun no ni sika owo na ajapade owo ni die owo no onyaya enko ni hwimpo oni dama na kaneba no ho ya enko pe enyina ebetimi dia tutu ye hofo. In this life everybody is going through a certain level of struggle, no matter how successful in the pakone ye ebi o meka nkyere wo ntine ye wo se bibia ye totin woti nipa kro eti dia wo komu no anya wo nko a obia wo ndie ehye no ho ebi mu kura nya ya they would have given everything they have to solve their problem. Enyina ye learn to appreciate what we have,
especially health.
We should learn to appreciate what we have.
Maybe madam be o konfanoche no catch us one man be better konfanoche. Na say o da ho ni na no ni bed no da se no. O da so no. There's this suitcase sikan kwa no.
No, or the other son
or the top bed na se. You was so over inside no. Papa no me ti. And o catch so only bag bi wo.
Ase o man.
O yi a obi em sikan kwa. So no we ase. Se sika na betimi agemi nka sika we mon gina dia mpesa mo yemi bia
mon tom sisi e what chale
nini na
nto
papa na de koy
nto
na papa ni free mu
yes
ni sika ni na achi
yes
nti se dia utie bia fa ne sa
of course
yeah
these kind of stories ema who the way we are sitting and ebia obu ho bom fia but o health kra na we okay no. It should be precious. So precious. Rich, me do want to see no. Sky Sports Italia and Sky Sports Germany report say Pep are rejecting Italian job. No, I think say even Sky Sports in England also kebi. Inti Pep is not going to do the Italy job. No. But anopoye the number one news. Jürgen Klopp finally the DFB are introducing officially as the coach of the German Diamond Shaft for the next 4 years. Me sure said there's a single person in this world or doubt it. Say Klopp a bit my German so own team yet. Was show more than capable. Say obet me a German. But Rich, aside no say, even with the competence of Klopp, enyuma wa nyina we panetro. It is a Utie Club the first interview all year as the Diamond Shaft coach. Rich okay can sama kesa see papa. Nhyira fan. Ebini saying. Or say first of all, edwuma na wa ba abeje no. Obeya ye ni yie. Or ideas be on itimu dada. Or catch every player be or ye eligible to play for the German Diamond Shaft say or show be wa hon fama or readiness to die for German national team no any be or no club or perfect player hobian a free neck no or show obia na or the enejuma the etosu mi no Rich minim the Abema club akasa asem way, but he has said it. Or say, who the way a media no a treaty United Nagelsmann. Who the way a English media no and nkofo edit Thomas Tuchel faso England. Na ono asamba ko pe na opese oka. Wa wonnim na obefe for fra na wo de be kɔ na busuafo so do that day na obeje adwuma no se wo asem bi ne ka as a German national team coach ene ne ono no nka don't extend it to the family. Rich dear minim ne say club obi a o challenging ho and or you're very very sure said this is the right time also about German adwuma because so otimi ebe turn this German situation into a competitive national team BMU. Rich obia baka say ono no waye adwuma no because wa me fa German national team ni time ekoyie na aka so oba ene no obia ni say German national team no e da form say team enti so oba na obenya any level of success bia it will be attributed to him. Rich we are going to have a very very nice journey with him. The first interview no crash say he is very very hyper for the job so win him club ono medjuma so medaso the moment obeba obeka say djuma e magiaye no next one say are you ready so oba be here and he is going to inspire a lot of things. Germany they've gotten their own look to forgo team be say Real Madrid, Barcelona, Bayern Munich, Juma, top jobs, just to make yourself available. Say, one time dream, and it's all about coach national team. Na abana wabe fane there. It is similar to the story of Zinedine Zidane. Inti yabema club akwaba. They say De La Fontaine edini hene. Ono na yepo bia when akwa kotuno. Ewa akonya no so club is capable. The German football talent right now no
above from
and so then you top but you say one attribute a club and they say he doesn't work with superstars, he rather makes superstars. And the Abia German national team you know Abia they are superstars in them, they just need the right coach and it could be him. There been say omu ogidie say no betima ya adwuma nti omu de adwuma na ma no omu convince no ancha no gitum so beba because adwuma na opedada e wona koma mu nti it's a match made in heaven and German find your moon enipa clubs so enya ne dream job ono so eba be nti Jurgen Klopp is back. He is back into real time coaching and send you now your friend no yeah money team kwa say adwuma no obetimi anya adwuma ketwa de but you watch his journey along the way
the German talent in above from too much
na rich na mama mbusa o ushe who read it from DWTV ushe German portals no kick money build mo it seems that everybody is happy. German supporters obi ani age it's as if say oh we've gotten the right man. Ujidi say coach Ben Pana ye name for the Blasters every Ghanaian unanimously so ebe nya sa kind of reception in the man obi say wine
oh na na bia e bie ma kwa bontia
o dey certain fifie
okay efie
Ghana ni o dey o say boni dey obi o ka say sa Ghana ni ko ebe dey on
obetimi aka kwasi apia bi
akosi apia no akosi apia will not get the so obia say he's the right man for
any problem there are
people who have reservations about akosi apia's competence emo aremfi enye say juma no me bi da they all have people who have reservations about more competence yeni bi that is the truth. The real answer is say yenibi a Ghanaian and ye bunidi say Kim you get a unanimous Ghanaian football community on say this is the right man for your Blasters in yenibi and it is simply because your coach's education was from yenibi rich. With
the Sika kona kwa with Goma here.
Oh, na Sika on coach Blasters nanzie. Sika coach Blasters nanzie.
Yeah.
Rich, the closest we can get.
Every as okwa bonten dia. Nipa ba kwa hanse me hu say Ghana for feeling on hu say papa obetuma ye adwuma no.
We have it. Yes. That is the closest we can get.
On coach I say ubodi di
Ghana. This is the man. I say there are people who even think say he is destined to one day coach your national team and one day say a seer and a destiny now bringing him together. Yeah. But Rich, even with him, after years of winning the AFCON with Ivory Coast, in between Nigeria now, people have started getting 1%, 2%, 3%, 5%. Doubts be. Say it's still
say adwuma the entimi ka say because any the
at least odie ye ma 5% doubt say go for you say it's still the Harvey Rena with the magic touch and but he's the closest he's the closest we can get to the way Germany for ni obi age club atum say he's the perfect man for the German job.
Yem say atie for ni ahwefo coach Ben Pana mususu say say yamfa dwumadi na ma Carlos Creza ono de nemuna Ghana ni bia nche da nya doubt gidi.
No, but it's even Carlos Creza part of the list. Carlos Creza say confirming
the World Cup in buy no to be honest yeah book games na de so we see abontia clearly
na
amanfo ni Jones papa yazo or buy no you see a different Black Stars. But I don't know, all of us are minimum say the Ghanaian
percentage for this one. So doubts be say
the coach Ben at the be defense saying so as a doubt kakra so what I say and Harry Ronaldo so the same because also after said an hour can after so free Ivory Coast quiet now konen nam ye na ye na manfo papa yi o ya de ba say nyegirigiri sa
but me try and there it's got to do with teams or qualify. One, so about Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia, baby, sound say in terms of talent.
Now, is it no be no?
No, but my partner says, so can say, who analyze no based on unsu teams or Kokofai. So no more potential at say, you get it.
Yeah.
For Saudi Arabia, for instance, more potential no more at say.
Okay.
For Tunisia, time and crowd the Kokofai Ejuma.
Now, crowd the uncle Tunisia Ejuma.
You can still make a case for him. You get it. So looking at where na free but and the talent or do am kokoye adwuma no. De ne ebeya na ebeye.
Because yabo World Cup na kasa de. Your first game against Panama and our second game against England there. So the Harry Nad debate now, be able to for Harry Nad,
that calculus 100%.
Ayala, me kai isabre a mohaya. Nipa crowd near be go no. Obi aso papa we we are 100 years grandfather no. Hey, the Black Stars ni. And the team in England, the general toe ball game England. And team for 1-2 at them. But I don't know who's the American say at the Ghanaian sa ebia your coach and now your team now result no and chance yen koya na bibi kakra bi na doubt na chance ye ba no. Anya sa dia. I think that anka you one coach now kind of the World Cup no Ghanaians feel say he's the man. But I don't know. All of a sudden your game against Croatia and then you kind of say Colombia no as a doubt kakra ababat. We went to the best number. Nya can kai Ediamana. Yen from